Hey friends of MarineMax, this is Scott Holmes, General Manager here at the Greenville location. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Yamaha SX190. This boat has the 1.9 liter, 190 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke, 4-cylinder engine in it. It is just the ultimate value proposition for your money that you can get. This boat comes paired with the trailer from the factory, has a great design, beautiful black hull color. One of the best features about the Yamaha jet boat is the rear swim platform. Come around to the back of the boat, let me show you. So as with all Yamaha jet boats, this is a jet drive, so there's no exposed propeller or outdrive unit. They get you a much shallower draft. Also, you can have your kids or family just swimming around the back of the boat and not worry about kicking a propeller or anything like that. Also, this rear lounge area has 2 backrests, a non-skid step area, great entertainment space. You've got cup holders for your drink, a boarding ladder to get in and out, a recessed transom walkthrough to allow you to get into the boat easier. Speaking of that, let's climb in the boat and take a better look. Okay, thanks for joining me inside. This boat has a nice big wraparound bow, a center walk-through windshield with a folding screen. You have tons of storage for all your beach accessories, a removable cooler, storage underneath both consoles for all everybody's beach bags that they're going to bring. This boat has a snap-in flooring that removes easily. You have a captain and co-captain's chair. The captain's chair has a flip-up bolster. Wrap-around seating arrangement here. This is a removable seat cushion so you can have a true walk-through. Boat comes with a nice bimini top. We also include the Yamaha factory canvas cover, a full tank of fuel, and all the safety gear you need to get you started on the water. This boat also has a digital screen, wireless phone charger, and a Bluetooth stereo. Come by and see it in person. We'd love to show it to you.